Hello, and welcome to the Tip of the Week. This week's topic is Use Date Formulas in Sheets. Many of us use spreadsheets to track the status of a project. We know that in Sheets, we can insert graphs and charts to get a visual representation of the project status. However, we can also use date formulas to track the current date, the number of days that have passed since the project began, and the number of days remaining. Let's look at how to use these functions. Open an existing Google Sheet or create a new one. For this demonstration, I will use an existing sheet. In cell C2, type the formula as shown on the screen and press Enter. You will see today's date appear. Let's assume that the project begins on the first day of the year and ends on the last day of the year. In cell C3, type the formula as shown and press Enter. You will see the first day that the project begins pop up. In cell C4, type the formula given here and press Enter. You will notice that the completion date will pop up. In cell C6, type the formula equals C2 minus C3 plus 1 and press Enter. How many days have gone since the project was started will appear. In cell C7, type the formula equals C4 minus C2 and press Enter. The days left in the project timeline will appear. To see a quick visual of the project status, insert a sparkline chart. In cell C9, type the formula as shown on the screen and press Enter.
Do you have questions about using Google Workspace? There are several resources available. The links and contact information are listed here.